Hey guys, so today I'm going to be sharing this Traveler's Notebook spread. I'm using the Kelly Perky Traveler's Notebook Kit for this month. It's March, yes, the March release. So yeah, let's get started. So the name of this month's kit is called Food Journal. So lots of really awesome food-related stamps, lots of papers, some stickers, and all that fun stuff. So right now I'm using one side as just like a craft background. I just cut up some craft paper and threw that on there. And then I'm cutting apart these strips that came in the kit as well, just to have some kind of elements that go across both sides of the page, just to keep it more cohesive, since I'm not using the same like kind of background for each side of the page. I'm cutting down one of the papers from the kit, which has like more details about what we ate. I guess contributing to the whole food journal thing. So this page is about another Disney thing, of course. We went to Whispering Canyon Cafe at the Wilderness Lodge, which is one of my favorite places to go in Disney World. If you've been, it's tons of fun. Food's great. It's just a fun time. Definitely recommend if you are going to Disney and looking for places to eat. But if you don't like people kind of like messing with you, is that a good way to describe it? I don't know. It's very interactive. I'll say that. But if you don't like that, maybe eat somewhere else. So I'm just throwing this onto the right side of the page. The white background, it's kind of white. You can see there's like kind of a spoon fork pattern going on. That's also from the kit. So now I'm just doing some journaling, adding the details for this page. I really like Traveler's Notebook pages because they're a lot less overwhelming than like a big 12 by 12, 9 by 12 scrapbook page, which I used to do more often. But now the Traveler's Notebook are much more popular. I think just because it's so much easier to put a page together, you have to think a lot less, which is always nice. And it's a lot less overwhelming. So if you're just starting to get into scrapbooking and just curious, I feel like the sizes that are popular now are much more accessible to people who are not scrapbookers or have never scrapbooked in their life. So I definitely recommend getting into that. And it's also much cheaper, I think, because when like big 12 by 12 pages were more popular, an album could cost you like $20-30, and then you have the page protectors, and it adds up. So I feel like you can just go on Amazon, grab a Traveler's Notebook on there. They're not too pricey, and like your pictures are smaller. You can use Instax photos, which are really cute. I have a few of those that I want to start scrapbooking as well, probably in the future. But yeah, so that's my little rave on Traveler's Notebooks. I don't have a specific one like for the year or anything like that, but I like to go to Traveler's Notebooks when I feel like I'm kind of in a creative rut and I don't really know what I'm doing with my project life pages, and it just feels like overwhelming. So having a smaller canvas to work on is definitely, it's nice to reset. It helps me reset personally. And just get back into the groove of creating, and that is my head. So sorry. Just get back into the groove of creating and figuring out what colors work and all that. So yeah. So as you can see, I threw those strips at the top, kind of like a border. Again, just to also add some cohesion, is that a word? Yeah. Across both sides of the page. Then I'm just going in with a date stamp just to add something different. Also, just really tired of my handwriting. I've been trying to work on it the past few months, my handwriting, but I'm still not a fan. No, I don't know. I feel like I need to get some penmanship books, like I'm in kindergarten again or something. So now I'm using the stamp set that comes with the kit, and these stickers. These stickers are really cute. The colors are really nice. They're not too bright. They're kind of pastel, but like a dark pastel. I don't know if you can hear that. There's like a fire truck outside. Like a darker pastel, is that a thing? But they're just really nice muted colors, and I really dig that. So as you can see, I used that favorite meal stamp. I think I said this in my last video, but I've been really liking the whole stamping a few times to get like that faded look, which I used to do a lot more before when I first started scrapbooking. So back to basics. I just like the look, and it adds, I'm trying to create just kind of like a border type thing. Oh, There's so many noises happening in my house right now. That's my rice cooker that just finished. Anyway, just kind of like a border across the top of the page. Nice, you can see I did the same thing with the I ate this kind of banner thing. I was gonna cut it out or stamp it on some white cardstock and cut it out, but I'm not sure why I didn't. I could not find my scissors, so instead of running around my house trying to find my scissors, I just went ahead and threw it right onto the cardstock, which is fine too. Then I'm just filling in the stars in the hunger and satisfaction little rating section because both are accurate. We were really hungry. It was like a day, I think we had gone to Magic Kingdom that day. Didn't really have a big lunch. We were starving for dinner. And we did like the all-you-can-eat skillet, I think. Yeah, I think we did the all-you-can-eat, which, oh my god, my favorite mashed potatoes of all time are from Whispering Canyon Cafe. They're like perfectly buttery and just, they're my favorite. I dream about them sometimes. That and the sweet mashed potatoes from Boma at Animal Kingdom Lodge. Any fellow Disney people, you know what I'm talking about. So now I use those alphabet stickers, just like the rectangular ones. These remind me of the October mini market stickers, or October afternoon mini market stickers from like way back in the day, if anyone remembers that. Loved those. I still have them saved in my like pile of stuff. I will never get rid of those. I will never purge those. And I think I'm pretty much finished at this point, just adding some stapling, finishing touches there. Do I do anything else? I don't remember. Let's see. I don't think so. Maybe I throw a star on there or something. Anyway, so this kit is now available over at kellyperkyshop.com. It is the monthly Traveler's Notebook kit, so if you want to subscribe to that, I definitely recommend her kits. Here are the completed shots of this page. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. I will link the kit down below in the description box. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time.